Nature! Nature. Nature! Nature! Get off me! Get off me! Yes, I like to come out to the forest and really get a sense of what's going on, really, because you know it's really nice to get out here. You know, you've got all all sorts around us. You know, you've got beautiful forestry, really. This is a it looks like a normal plant, right? But we know if we dig it up, yeah, you get around it, seeing its roots here. A litter plant. Now that's grown out of the roots of that. We know that these produce litter. We know that we can get litter from all these plants around here. If we make a small clearing, we can make lots of litter. Wow! Look at that! Yuck. Yuck. Yeah. Bit of tree here. This will become a piano. Just listen to the note. What am I talking about, right? What is this? What is he on about? But you know that pianos are made of wood, don't you? A really smooth surface there. And people will come out to the forest and rub them, just come out and stroke the tree, because you know that you can get a piano out of it and it'll be polished. More people come out here and do it. I've got an itch on my arm, so I'll probably do that. More people come out here and do that, you can get more pianos out of the wood. Okay, what we've got over here is a common site in the woods, okay, and that is the nest, okay, of a homeless man. Okay. Ooh, nature! I come up here to clean the trees. Get all these leaves off and clean them up. Make them nice and clean. Come on! Smells of poo in here!